gonna jump in the back of a minivan or something and yeah, just go with the flow really.
Looking so forward to this.
All right, we're excited. Today I'm introducing her as Captain Safety.
Order for Julie.
I know, sat in a puddle. Crushed it. There are so many different things you can do in Vang Vieng, like
Tubing, caving,
kayaking. Zip. But today we've decided to do one thing. We're gonna go kayaking. Wow! So it's recommended to us by some people we know, some friends we met up in Luang Prabang. It should be quite soft at some times, quite fast and rapidy at others. Gonna jump in the back of a minivan or something and yeah, just go with the flow really.
Yeah.
Should be good.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Should be quite refreshing as today's bloody hot. We got this.
I just turn the page, let it ride, what it likes.
Okay, so after a rickety ass ride in our bus, we have arrived. So we're just gonna jump into a two-man canoe, something like this. And we're going to explore something like that. Wifey's getting excited now, but we don't want to fall in because it looks cold. Excited?
Come on, yeah, excited.
So for water purposes, my trusty mic is now going to go away so I can make the whole house in waterproof and I can keep you guys out to play with me. I've just realised that I left my water floaty at home. So here's hoping for the best, right? Yeah, we're fine. This is the audio you can expect for the next few hours. But we are suited and booted. Look at her, that sexy bitch. Wave to the camera. Strut, show me what you're made of. Boop, boop. This should be a good crack, this. Looking forward to this, looking forward to this.
Looking so forward to this.
All right, we're excited. Today, I am assisted by my trusty assistant, but today she is not a fruit. With the current stance and the current mentality she has, today I'm introducing her as Captain Safety.
Order for Julie.
Show us what you just tried to do.
I think this is actually quite smart. I think this
you're right.
goes between your legs and it's meant to like for sure help you keep up if you fall in. I mean, admittedly that doesn't quite.
So we got the gist of what she's trying to do. She's wearing her life jacket like a safety harness when you're climbing through the trees. So today she is Captain Safety. Captain.
Mrs. Captain Safety for you.
You're doing beautifully, darling.
Thank you.
You know what I'm going to say now though, don't you? Bro, bitch, take me places.
We made it through that first bit. We're expecting it to be a little bit worse, because that's what we were told.
I got a wet bum. We got splashed by the rapids.
Loads of rocks. Okay, that was definitely faster than the first one. Okay, so you know how I was saying that wasn't really fast enough? We just came up, we took a turn and you could see that the water was a lot more like wishy-washy.
Wishy-washy?
Wishy-washy, yeah. Okay. And then
only makes sense with the hand signal.
we did, and there were rocks coming underneath, so then we were coming up, we got splashed loads, we both have really wet bums. And then we almost hit a rock. No, actually we did hit a rock and then we almost fell in. What else happened?
I don't know, sat in a puddle.
But yeah, that was definitely faster than the first one. Legs. Okay, did you see that? Look at how that was scary. There's a tiny baby on that kayak as well. Oh my god, okay. I gotta go, bro. We just stumbled across this party bit. Not sure exactly exactly what it is. I don't know if you can hear the music, but it's very loud. This is like Poston Road, Bangla Road, all of that stuff, but on the water.
So, we've made it to the end, and as you saw from, we got caught in a couple of rapids, and because of that, we are both absolutely soaked on our bottoms. But for £3.50, which is what, 7,000 kip? 70,000 kip?
Yeah.
For £3.50, an hour down the road, an hour down the stream.
Yeah, was that how much long it was?
I don't think it, yeah, give or take.
Yeah, it was good, it was fun.
Yeah, it was good crack.
It was half kayaking, half rafting.
Yeah, it was good fun. For such a cheap event, it was very fun.
And we were a good team.
Crushed it. So good news, we thought we had stopped. It turns out we have not. We just had a pit stop so those that had multiple events during the day could carry on. But we get to continue kayaking. Woo! Let's go! I upgraded. Now I'm really cool. Oh my God, I look like an American fisherman. My high vis, my hat, my sleeve.
You do.
I look like an American. I was that's Australian.
You do.
Yeah.
You could be like you're from Texas.
Yeah. For $3.50, you're winning. So this is worth the money. All right. Let's see what we capture this time down.
Every time I'm with you.
This is round 2, baby.
The kayak continued downriver. For about another, what, half hour?
I have no idea.
I have no idea. I don't even know what time it is now.
No clue.
And they dropped us off in the middle of town. That was your stop point, really, in the middle of town. So for £3.50, that was freaking fantastic. It was a good experience, good views to begin with, and highly recommended.
Fun. It was a fun activity.
Fun activity.
Fun activity.
So yeah, do it. That's my verdict. The only thing is that you do get dropped off in the middle of town, and there doesn't seem to be any like route home or back, so you might need to get a tuk-tuk. For us, it's only 20 minutes. For you guys, it might be less because most of the hotels are actually in the centre, so they probably assume that your hotel's only around the corner anyways.
Yeah. And another thing, wear your swimsuit.
You will definitely get a wet bum.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. If you've got any electronics, put them in a wet bag. You will definitely get, not soaking wet, but wet enough where you got water running down the back of your legs.
Yeah, and I mean, it depends on how good you are in luck and stuff
Nah.
like that. Because we crashed, for example, and the other couple crashed on the shore.
Yeah, that's because we're an awesome team. We didn't flip. We only caught a couple of rocks when we were going too fast. And another thing, people are not aware of their surroundings. Like, we were coming down through some of the rapidy areas, and somebody just got out of the boat, like right in front of us, right to the side of us, and I almost smacked him with the paddle, yeah. Which then caused us to crash because then we were going a little bit too fast. So yeah, just be cautious of your surroundings. But yeah, good crack. That's our adventure for today. It was a nice and easy one. Start 2023 with the morning views and an afternoon paddle.
It's nice chill.
Oh, guess what we get to do? I'm going for a Sunday roast in a restaurant run by a New Zealand guy. So I've got really high expectations and I'm really looking forward to it.
It's the Kiwi kitchen that we've already
Yeah,
showed.
it's that Kiwi kitchen that we went to the other day. But yeah, a Sunday roast. Do you know, I haven't had one of those in so long.
When was the last time? Do you remember?
Probably when we said goodbye to my mum when we left the UK. So that's July 2022.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, it's now January 2023, so 6 months.
I can't believe it's January.
I know. And I'm about to have a Sunday roast. I'm super excited. That will be the next thing you see, the roast on my plate. I mean, some of you don't care about the food, but this is a big thing, man. Actually, I found some cookies. They're really good. How far do you reckon she could go before she notices I'm not walking with her? So we're about 10 meters right now. I'm gonna stop. That commotion made her turn around. She didn't get far at all. Oh well, next time you see me, we'll definitely be with Kiwa Kitchen.
For 1 or 2, maybe 3 years, I've been feeling nothing at all. But then I saw your face lighting up my space. Got me going like that, lighting.
It's been a very long time, and I've promised here is my Sunday roast, the first one in 6 months.
Sunday in pouring rain, I felt kinda low.